Government Degree College, Wootnoor, Adilabad. My name is G. Vijay, contract faculty, lecturer in computer science and application. So last class discussions about decision making. The statements of if statement. A Visual Basic, more than one way of decisions to decision to be made. If statement then will be give the idea of a single decisions to be single result, and the given if statement constants of the determines a statement or executing. So last class discussions less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, equal to, or not equal to. Single one, more than one way of single decision made of result if statements give the single result. So this is called as a comparison of given values of true or false. Then last class discussions about comparisons of two variables. This hereby the evaluate of true and give the evaluate of to false, true or false. Then a equal to 1 equal to 1, it's a true. 1 equal to 2, it's a false. 2 greater than equal to 1, it's a true. 2 less than equal to 1, it's a false. Then this is called as a last class discussions. Last class, this is the give the comparison operator. This is the comparison operator, both values and true or false, both. This is called as a true, this is called as a false. Then give the statements of given to a single window or single variable value. Then give the comparison of values, it's a, then give the greater than, less than comparisons, two values. So next when then a decision making where two possible and give the output results. So this is the give the form output in stock. Amount of stock, it's a 0. It's a calculations of given, the click on this button. The amount of given click stock, it's a 5, and given the value of result in this box. So this is the given of values. Then click in this, give the result in this particular box. Then take label box and text box and give the command buttons. Command buttons give, then click on this button, automatically give the result in this text. And label box, they will be take only fields. So label box, they only fields, amount of stack, and give the so many numbers, they will be take in given in this text box. So this is the decision making. So a problem descriptions. So the write a program that outputs and difference between the amount of your income various, then amount of your expenses, as well as a printing a message that indicate or the more than you are making in this decision. We have to take in first, you must create in form, first must in create form that has two text box and text income and text expenses. This is called as a given two text box. So, and next one, give that each should have a label above the indicating what is stored in the text box incomes and expenses. The additional you need to label to store in the difference between the income and expenses, and one to hold your output, give the message in particular box, give the particular box in the text box. So this is give the message box, and any button they will be in, we have to take particular buttons in key, click in this button, then give the result in the particular box, in this particular box. So this one and this one, and give the calculate button, need to calculate button and a different output, and a different output the message. So this is the given boxes. So this is called a form window. Form window, particularly you have to take a label box or text box or command button. Label, that's why we have to remove and change the field and give the field new field name. And next one, text, they will be give the particular field name, they will be give the field name, and or command buttons and give the result total, then will be give the result. So command button, and click the command buttons, automatically we have to give the result. This is called as a different and different ways of output in the message. A decision making, problem solution, create and project and a form. From the starting window, click on a new project. The new project window appears, and from the start window. Then click on a new project. Then the new project window appears in the project. Specify the name of the applications as income and give the any name. Specify the name, the application name. Specify the locations as give the particular path code window, path and the file name or application name or project name. Click on the OK button. We have to give the particular project name and click on OK button. Automatically they will be give the form name. Then remove the file by right click on the file name in the solutions of expenses, setting the name to form, icon, expenses, expressions and VB. You have to give the form window starting, how to go for project name and project name, how to basically start in the window, form window, and click on form and particular give the application name and specify locations can be stored, and after then click on OK button and forms in this storage particular name. The label control occurs the step of the form. Set of name property to label result. Set of name property label then will be changed in give the rename, change the name and give the field name. This property they will be changed in background color, uh, background styles, bold, italic, underline, and so many styles there. The default, the remove the default value for the text property. We have to change label, remove the property, text property, then will be give the result and the remove the change default value for the text property. A label control a letter below the a label result or label. A set of name property in label name. Particular label name give the set of property. A set of text property to income. It's a income is given the set of the income text property. Set the font bold property also then true. Give the set of bold, italic, underline, a set of font size, so many types of font size, and then give the set of properties. The text box control below the income tax income label, a set of name property to text icon. Clear out the default value for this text box. A label control to the right of this income, set the name property to label expressions, set the text property into the give the font bold, italic, underline and property of true. Then give default automatically give the text property or label property or command property, they will be changed in bold, size, italic, underline. The place of label control below, then income tax income text box, a set of name property to label difference title and text property to difference. A set of name property to label difference, remove the different value for the text and give the example and the calculate the button decision making and the calculate the button. A button control in the left side of these forms below the text box, a set of name property and button, it's a calculation, a set of property, set of text property to calculate. A double click on this button, the code window we have to write in message give the values, write calculate this program. So this is a code window given programs. So private sub button calculate this, click on by value, it's a sender. and declare a local variable dim. Sign income as a single, dim, expenses as a single, difference as a single. Convert the text value. Convert the text value. This is called as a text value. Value text income dot text equal value text expenses dot x. Calculate difference. Sign a difference equal to income minus expenses. It's a computer results given if income greater than equal expenses, then a label result dot text equal to double quotation, you did a good job, double close, end if, then end if we have to write down, and end if more values and more than values we have to write, then conditions, and give the values of more multiple values, and if else statements, and if also, then give the end if. This is called a one statements, and give the statements. So this is called as a if and if. And next we have to write and same less than, this is called also less than, and next statement, give the next statement, this is called as a greater than, and next one less than. So this called as a if statement opening, and then give the multi values in write down label result dot text equal to need to be give the label, and end of this if. So and next one, then if statement, and equal then label result dot net equal to your balance to your spending, and if label difference, and equal single defined difference dot to string ends of end class. So this is the window of given programs, code window programs, and give the values, this is the programs, and give the statements of, this is the one statements and another statements, and then this is one another statement, and give the statement 1 2 3. So these statements and given the value of is a then state multi values, take this programs in multi-valued, and then and if then and if, this is called as a multi-level values. So this is the give the code window example program. So this one is also given less than or greater than, less than, greater than, less than equal, and give the value of income tax and tax expressions, and give the if statement, and if statement, if statement, and if statement, if and if. So this is called as a given the value of result decision making. So the first applications will allow to enter a name of this person by Vishuddha for uh, adding one for each person's is count. You will have one count for breast needed. You will create a text box. First will accept the name of the person to the button we have added result and button, then all display that have result in these locations and give the boxes. So the this is the example of given some types of given the text box voter booth. So this is the coach vote booth. Enter a name of this coded you wish to cast your vote for this vote. Give the value of name. This is the given of value of name, particular name and voter name, and give the box and take the results. Automatically give the click on booth button and click on OK. We have to total figure they will be display in this result. They will be display in this result. So this is called as a given particular text to based voter booth. The entire the name of this candidate in this box, voter box, and click the results. Automatically there will be so many members in give the voter booth and give the vote and automatically click the total results. This is called also. In order to store the name of voter for each condition, each candidate, you will require a variable for each candidate. Since the number of voters, candidates can be have a number of integer data types. Variable will be used. These variables will need to be accessed for both and voter of result button click events. Therefore, the variables will need to be declared in the declarations sections of this form. Other issues you will have to the initializations the variable initializations variable technically you do not have a because the difficult value for the integer is 0, but it is always a good habit in initializations them. The form like all objects have a specify called a customer construct to a construct is a called before the actually object in completed created. This is the place of initializations of variable in the form. So this is called as a given voter initializations of take integer value data types and give the candidates have a number of candidates in integer data types variable will be used. This is called as a given data through the visual basic if else statements and example given this functions code window. uh, Write this program methods, code window, write the statements of given if and if then, if then and if then and if. So this is called as a given write down programs. So this is called as a given a number of candidates, give the total candidates and click on this results, give the display output, display the output, click on this result, display this boxes, result box. So this is a variable I have taken the dim int breast count is a integer or integer value, then take particular forms. So this is called as a decision. Write down these programs and give the code window of these programs. So this is the code window of this program. So then will be given, this is the line by line, we have to write down an integer and give the gross count integer and other integers and region a window for the designers of generated and give the public sub a new and message base new and give the int base count is 0, int grow count 0, and this is called as end of these programs in given end sub. Automatically we have to give the total message step by steps in taken title label and this call also. So place label control occurs that step of these forms, then we have to take forms and give the title name vote or both and set off the name property of a label title, label title, then give the particular name label, again give the title the voter both, a set of font bold italic and the true given properties, a set of text properties in coach voting booths and the set of text alignments and property then mid of center and give the alignments take a middle of this center, mid means center, then give the forms of given a particular label, give the field and voter booth and give the center alignments, text center alignments. This is called a give the forms particular, give the name vote booth forms. So this forms has a label control below the previous ones, a set of name property, and give the directions, dictionaries, direction. The set of text property enter a name of the candidate set of enter of the candidate wish to your vote and give the name. This is called as a give the entire text property, give the particular name. So this is the text property in give the instrument name of the candidate you wish to give the particular name and give the form window, write down this form. So this is the give the result. Please place a label control at the bottom of these forms. Make sure it is along to display. To election results, a set of name property to label result. Rename of a default value for the text property can give the form of text property, and the text is a label, then will be given title and text also given, and give the forms and particular name. So this called as a result label, decision making of result label. This one is also then given of program. So the double click on this button, attach the code of process, the vote. It must add to variable that the store the number of voters for each process, if, and give the name. Then if a text voter text equal to brace, and give the statements, then statements. This is called if statement, this is end if statement, and the if statement and end if statements, and give the statements of given code window program. Say write down, this is this one, and statements 1 and statement 2 and statements 3. This is called a multi-level or multiple values in give the if else statements and use of then also. This is called as a given if else statements. Thank you.